We're going to set up our hosting using Bluehost. It's one of the few providers that is officially recommended by WordPress. They make it very easy to install both Astra and Elementor, and it's one of the best and most affordable options available. To get the best deal with Bluehost, make sure to sign up using the first link down below in the video description. This is our special partner link, which will get you an additional discount on their hosting plans. Once you click on that special link, you should land on this page right here. Let's select a hosting plan and a domain now. This offer includes a free domain for the first year. To take advantage of that, click Get Started Now. Here we see the Bluehost plans. Everything you'll see in this tutorial, you can do with the starter plan. So I'll click Choose Plan. When you register a new domain, you want to make it relatively short and memorable, and it needs to still be available. For this video, I'll just call this one BHWP Tutorial 4, where BH and WP are short for Bluehost and WordPress. And then here, you can change your top level domain if you'd like, but I'd recommend keeping a .com. I like to add domain privacy and protection to avoid junk mail, but I'll show you how you can remove this later if you change your mind. Now, click Search for Domain. In your cart, you can change your hosting plan here, and 1-year plans and 3-year plans will give you the best monthly rates. For this tutorial, I'll select 1 year, and down here is where you can remove the domain privacy and protection if you change your mind. Then click Continue to Checkout. Now, just enter your contact information, and then scroll down on the page to enter your account information. Go ahead and create a new password, then enter your billing information, and once entered, click Submit Payment.